Fast fashion? That's for kids. When you're over 40, your clothes should tell a story of quality, confidence, and class. And let me tell you, that story doesn't start with a $59 suit that feels like sandpaper. Here's the truth. Once you hit 40, you've outgrown disposable trends. Your wardrobe should work as hard as you do and last just as long. That means stepping up from just okay to investment pieces. Items that elevate every outfit, hold their shape for years, and make you feel like the best dressed man in every room. So in this video, I'm breaking down 10 investment pieces every man over 40 should own, and what mistakes to avoid when choosing them. And all the investment pieces I recommend are linked below. From the suit that carries you through life's biggest moments to the shoes that speak before you do, this isn't about spending more money, it's about spending smarter. Ready to trade clutter for timeless confidence? Let's start with the piece that separates Chapter 1, the perfect tailored suit. If your idea of a nice suit is the shiny, boxy one you wore to your cousin's wedding in 2009, we need to talk. Or worse, the pinstripe special with shoulders so wide they could catch satellite signals? Hard pass. Here's the brutal truth. Cheap suits don't just look cheap, they make you look cheap. The fabric wrinkles if you so much as sit down, the shoulders sag like a hammock, and that polyester lining? It feels like a garbage bag stapled inside. Nothing kills confidence faster than walking into a room and knowing your suit is fighting against you. And then there's the fit. Baggy in all the wrong places, sleeves that cover half your hands, trousers pooling around your ankles like you're hiding a family of squirrels. It doesn't matter if you spent $100 or $500 if it looks and feels bad. It's costing you more than money. It's costing you presence. Here's the upgrade. One perfectly tailored suit in navy, charcoal, or medium gray. Just one. Because a great suit isn't just clothing, it's armor. It's what you wear for life's defining moments. Job interviews, weddings, big presentations. It's the piece that says, without words, I'm here and I belong. Here's the formula: soft shoulders, clean lines, and quality wool, or a wool blend that drapes naturally. Invest in tailoring before you splurge on a brand name. A $600 suit with a $100 tailor beats a $2,000 suit that fits like a trash bag every single time. Style it with a crisp white shirt and leather Oxfords, and you've just elevated your entire look. Suddenly, you're not the guy wearing a rental. You're the guy everyone assumes owns the building. Chapter 2. Quality leather dress shoes. You can tell a lot about a man by his shoes, and if yours are scuffed, creased like a paper bag, or God forbid square-toed, you're sending the wrong message. Here's the problem: cheap dress shoes are a scam. They look okay for 2 wears, then fall apart. The leather cracks, the soles squeak, and the comfort? Think bricks with laces. And if your shoes shine like patent leather but cost $49.99, they're closer to plastic than actual leather. Bad shoes don't just kill your outfit, they kill your credibility. You could wear a $2,000 suit, but if your shoes look cheap, that's what people will notice. So invest in one pair of quality leather dress shoes. Oxfords, derbies, or brogues, any classic style works, as long as it's made from full-grain leather. Why full grain? Because it lasts. It molds to your feet, develops a beautiful patina, and actually gets better over time. And stick to timeless colors. Black for formal events, brown for versatility. If you want subtle personality, go for oxblood or mahogany. And here's a pro tip: add cedar shoe trees. They'll keep your investment looking sharp for years. Pair these with the suit from earlier, and you'll look like you run the room, not like you borrowed your dad's shoes for career day. So stop treating shoes like an afterthought. They're not accessories, they're statements. Get this right, and you're already ahead of 90% of guys your age. Now we've got the suit and the shoes handled. That's your foundation. But what about layering? Because nothing kills a sharp look faster than tossing on a ratty old sweater from 1997. Chapter 3. A luxurious cashmere sweater. We've all owned them, the bargain bin sweaters that pill after 2 washes and feel like they were knit from steel wool. They stretch out, lose shape, and let's be honest, they make you look like a guy who gave up on style and comfort at the same time. Here's the issue: low-quality sweaters are disposable fashion. They don't drape well, they trap heat in the wrong way, and they look worn out faster than a $5 umbrella in a hurricane. And when you're over 40, that's just not acceptable. Your layers should elevate you, not downgrade you. So instead, go for a cashmere sweater. Not acrylic, not polyester. Cashmere. Why? Because it's soft, breathable, warm without bulk, and it looks expensive because it is. But here's the good news: you don't need 10 of them. One great cashmere sweater in a neutral color, think charcoal, navy, or camel, will transform your entire wardrobe. Layer it under a blazer for a smart casual dinner look, or throw it over a crisp white shirt for effortless weekend style. It's the kind of piece that says, I value quality, without screaming for attention. Yes, cashmere costs more up front, but here's the math. One $200 sweater that lasts years beats replacing a $40 acrylic one every winter. And when you put it on, you'll feel the difference immediately. By the way, I've linked my top cashmere picks below. These are the exact ones I'd recommend if you want that quiet luxury vibe without overpaying. Chapter 4. The crisp white dress shirt. A bad dress shirt is like a bad handshake. Weak, limp, and forgettable. If your shirts are paper thin, wrinkled the second you blink, and come in shiny colors like electric lavender, you're doing yourself no favors. The problem with these bargain shirts is simple. They cut corners everywhere. The fabric feels scratchy, the collars collapse faster than a bad business deal, and the fit? Usually 2 sizes too big, so you end up looking like you borrowed it from your bigger cousin. Over 40, that's not just sloppy, it's a credibility killer. Here's the upgrade: a crisp, high-quality white dress shirt. Not blue, not patterned, not some experimental shade, just white. Because white is the most versatile color you'll ever own. Weddings, boardrooms, date nights, you name it, it works. And the best shirts don't just look good. They hold their structure, move with you, and stay sharp all day. Pair it with your tailored suit, layer it under that cashmere sweater from earlier, or wear it open at the collar with a navy blazer for an effortless, smart casual look. Chapter 5. A tailored wool overcoat. Bulky, cheap outerwear. We all know the jackets I'm talking about, the oversized synthetic parka that swallows you whole. You bought it on sale years ago because it's just for winter, and now it's your go-to every time the temperature drops. It's big, it's loud, and it makes you look like you're ready to hike Everest instead of walking into a meeting. The problem? These jackets kill your silhouette. They add bulk in all the wrong places, hide any shape you have, and scream function over form in the worst way. Over 40, the goal is sharp, not shapeless. And nothing says, I stopped trying faster than a jacket that makes you look like a walking duvet. So instead, invest in a tailored wool overcoat. This is the outerwear MVP every grown man needs. Because it does everything your parka claims to do, keeps you warm, protects against the cold, but looks like it was made for someone who cares about style. Throw it over your suit for a business look, or wear it open with a turtleneck for a sophisticated weekend vibe. It's elegance without effort. Leave the bulky bargain bin jackets to college kids. An overcoat is a power move that says, I've arrived, even when you're just grabbing coffee. Chapter 6. The navy blazer. Some guys think a blazer is only for weddings or job interviews, so they skip it entirely. Big mistake. Because when you hit 40, versatility is everything, and nothing delivers it better than a navy blazer. Without it, you're stuck in 2 gears, super casual or full suit. No in between. That gap is where a blazer shines. A great blazer takes you from dinner dates to business meetings, from smart casual events to nights out, without making you look overdressed or underprepared. But here's the problem: a lot of guys do own blazers and they're terrible. Boxy, shiny, or worse, made from synthetic fabrics that feel like sandpaper. These disasters don't add polish, they add 10 years to your look. The upgrade: a perfectly tailored navy blazer in wool or a wool blend. Why navy? Because it pairs with almost everything: gray trousers, khakis, dark jeans. It's the Swiss Army knife of menswear. Look for a blazer that feels structured but not stiff, soft shoulders, a slim but comfortable fit, and buttons that don't look like they belong on your grandpa's coat. You want something you can dress up with a tie or down with an open collar shirt and chinos. Throw it on over your white dress shirt for business casual, or over a fine gauge sweater for a relaxed, refined weekend vibe. It's sharp without trying too hard. The ultimate move for a man who knows style but doesn't need to shout about it. Skip the awkward too formal or too casual struggle. A navy blazer bridges that gap and instantly makes you the best dressed guy in the room, without making you feel like you're trying to prove a point. Chapter 7. A timeless watch. If your watch looks like it could double as a dinner plate or has more bling than a rapper's chain, it's time to retire it. Oversized, loud, and logo-heavy watches scream insecurity. They don't make you look rich, they make you look like you're trying to convince people you are. And let's not forget the smartwatch mistake. Functional? Sure. Stylish with a suit? Absolutely not. Nothing kills a tailored look faster than a rubber strap peeking out from under your cuff. Instead, go for a classic timepiece with a clean design and quality build. Think slim profile, simple dial, and a leather or stainless steel band. Why? Because a great watch is like a great conversation starter, it doesn't need to shout to get noticed. Stick with timeless brands or heritage-inspired designs that prioritize craftsmanship over gimmicks. You want something that works in the boardroom, at a wedding, or with a polo shirt on the weekend. It should feel substantial on your wrist, but never bulky. The best part? A classic watch isn't just an accessory, it's an heirloom. Something that will still look good 20 years from now when trends have come and gone. Your watch should say confidence, not compensation. Keep it clean, keep it classic, and let it do what a great watch does best: quietly elevate everything else you're wearing. Chapter 8. A real leather jacket. Cheap, shiny faux leather jackets. You know the ones. Shiny, stiff, and squeaky when you move. The faux leather jacket that promised biker cool but delivers Halloween costume. Over 40, this is a style trap. It doesn't make you look rugged, it makes you look like you're trying way too hard. The problem is, faux leather doesn't age. It cracks, peels, and screams budget pick from a mile away. And don't even think about those jackets overloaded with zippers, studs, and random buckles. If it looks like a prop from a bad action movie, burn it, and instead invest in a real leather jacket that is built to last. Clean design, minimal hardware, and a fit that feels tailored, not sloppy. Go for a leather moto jacket for edge or a bomber style for versatility. Both work with jeans, chinos, and even dress shirts for that effortless, cool vibe. Yes, a quality leather jacket costs more, but here's the truth. It's a lifetime piece. It molds to your body, looks better as it ages, and never goes out of style. Pair it with boots and dark denim, and suddenly you're the guy who looks like he knows exactly what he's doing without saying a word. And I've linked my favorite leather jackets in the description below. These are the jackets I'd recommend if you want the real deal without wasting money on bad fits or cheap materials. Leather is a statement. Make sure it says confident and timeless, not discount biker trying to relive his glory days. Chapter 9. Versatile, well-fitted chinos. Chinos are supposed to be the middle ground between jeans and dress pants. A smart casual essential that works everywhere, but here's where most guys go wrong. They buy the bargain bin pair that fits like a potato sack, baggy through the legs, sagging at the seat, and made from fabric so thin it wrinkles if you even breathe on it. Cheap chinos don't just look sloppy, they make everything else you're wearing look worse. That tailored blazer? Ruined. Those polished shoes? Wasted. And don't even get me started on the pleated front mistake. Instead, invest in one pair of high-quality, perfectly cut chinos in a neutral color. Think navy, khaki, or olive. The fabric should feel substantial, soft but structured, so they drape cleanly without bunching. Fit matters more than anything here. You want a trim, modern cut? Not skinny jean tight, not dad pants loose. What makes chinos a true investment piece is versatility. Pair them with a polo for a polished weekend look, or with a blazer and dress shoes for business casual. They bridge the gap between dressed up and dressed down, which is exactly the zone most men live in after 40. Bad chinos will make your whole outfit look cheap. Great chinos? They're the secret weapon of every well-dressed man. Get the right pair, and you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Chapter 10. A premium polo shirt. Here's the truth, most guys over 40 treat casual wear like an afterthought. They grab a faded tee or a bargain polo that looks like it came free with a car rental. And the result? You look like you've given up on style the second the tie comes off. Cheap polos are the worst offenders. They shrink, they fade, and they fit like a parachute. The collars curl up like old potato chips. The fabric clings in all the wrong places, and the logos? Huge, screaming, and tacky. Over 40, that's not laid back, that's lazy. Here's the fix, a luxury polo made from premium cotton or merino wool. Why? Because it drapes like a dream, feels amazing against your skin, and holds its shape after countless wears. These polos have a collar that actually stays flat, buttons that don't look like cheap plastic, and a cut that makes you look athletic without trying too hard. Colors? Stick with the classics, navy, white, or black. These shades pair with chinos, jeans, even tailored shorts. Layer it under a blazer for a smart casual twist, or wear it solo for a sharp off-duty look. A great polo is the ultimate upgrade for casual style. It's relaxed, refined, and screams confidence without a word. Leave the free golf shirts and bargain bin polos behind. Step into something that looks and feels like a man who knows the difference between cheap and timeless. And there you have it, 10 investment pieces that separate the men from the boys. No trends, no gimmicks, just timeless essentials that make you look sharp and confident. If you spotted a few mistakes in your closet, don't panic. You don't need a whole new wardrobe, just the right pieces. Replace one thing at a time and you'll feel the difference instantly. When you hit 40, your style should work as hard as you do. These upgrades last longer, look better, and make getting dressed effortless. I've linked my favorite picks for all 10 pieces in the description below. These are the exact ones I recommend, so you don't waste time or money. Drop a comment and tell me which upgrade you're making first. And if this video helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and stick around for more style tips that actually make sense for men over 40. Dress sharp, stay confident, and invest in pieces that tell your story without saying a word.